This week, we restore our huge skylight, and we finally get our new insulated ceiling up. A huge project, and we're super happy with the result. We really need to get the bus watertight. Our big skylight has been a major problem area and something we just have to fix before covering it up with our new ceiling.
Steel washer, so we need to replace all this shit anyway. There's so much water dripping, it's like constant.
Yeah.
See that?
Flowing water. Yeah, where is that coming from?
Underneath here, on both sides.
Underneath the old bracket.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So the original plan today was to continue working on our ceiling. It's not happening because we still have a leak in the corner of our roof hatch, and we've been hoping to be able to put the roof hatch off until the spring when it's not going to be so wet and rainy and do a refurbishing of that then. But yeah, we just have to accept fact, bite the bullet, and do our roof hatch repairs now so we can actually waterproof the ceiling before we put our new beautiful ceiling up. So.
Down the rivets.
Okay.
On the fiberglass and running through.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I don't know. It doesn't look as bad as I thought. Rubberized paint membrane stuff on top. Hopefully this will do the job. Oh, we're out taking our roof hatch for a ride.
We need a 925.
Okay, so we got a new piece of polycarbonate to replace the old one, and this one is twice as thick as the old one, so
Yeah, it's gonna work perfectly.
success.
Yep. It's a lot heavier.
Yeah. Yeah. Somebody parked a bus on the front lawn.
It was me.
So it's got much better shape.
Yeah, way better.
Yes.
Like actually how it should be.
Yeah, like
We've got a
curved.
massive, big, clear skylight.
Yeah, so we chose clear polycarbonate because it's both more UV resistant and more durable, but it's gonna be awesome to have a skylight up there that you can actually see through, so yeah.
That's good. Should we take the stuff off?
Yes.
Alright, let's start with the outside.
Oh, the big reveal. Watertight and beautiful.
Holy moly!
Look
What do you
at
think of
that.
that?
That's amazing. So we have a clear skylight. Look at that. I can see blue skies.
Is that cool or what?
That is super cool. So this is the test. And we're finally watertight up here. What do you think, darling?
I think we're good.
Yeah, I think we're good too.
We took a break from the bus build for a day hike up Mt Herbert or Te Ahu Pātiki just outside of Christchurch in Diamond Harbour.
Adventure time.
Not the best day weather-wise, but it was really nice to get outside.
Boys! It's raining! It's foggy! It's beautiful!
The ceiling is a big project. We're insulating it with 40mm polystyrene and cover it with 7mm grooved plywood. It can be awkward lining up these large sheets, but we stuck in, determined to get it done.
Kitchen lights. The next set of boards are up. It looks so good with that new skylight. Woo!
These are the last two boards, and it's really exciting getting that.
How do you feel, babe? Ceiling.
The battle is won.
The battle is won.
The war is not over.
We get a nice, beautiful ceiling in there now. So exciting. Cold morning. Everything is frozen, darling. We got frost on the windows. Everything dry in here.
So the bus is all frozen over this morning, but you know, it is winter. So we finished our amazing, beautiful ceiling yesterday, and now we're gonna start building our internal walls and creating the rooms that we are planning in the bus. Super exciting. Mr. Matt's back there is doing some thinking, and yeah, I'm gonna be finishing this video, and we'll see you next week. The bus should look completely different by then. If you like this video, push the like button and please subscribe to our channels, and also turn on the little notification bell so you won't miss anything that we put out.
Yeah, and feel free to share this video with your friends. Also, come along over to our Facebook page, Reboot Life. We've also got a website, rebootlife.me, and of course there's Instagram and other social media networks that you can follow us on.
Yeah, we're gonna link to all of that in the description for this video, so come and join us there.
Better yet, come part of our Patreon crew. And this is where we get real support that can help towards us making better content and more of it for you. Thank you to all our supporters.
Yeah.
You know, you guys are loyal and you rock.
Yeah, thanks guys.